To make red velvet cupcakes, start by mixing together the dry ingredients listed on the screen. Give the dry ingredients a whisk. Next, mix together the wet ingredients listed on the screen. The mixture is going to look clumpy, but that's okay. Gradually add in the dry ingredients. In between the dry ingredients, add in the 3/4 cup of buttermilk. Next, add in your red food coloring and to your liking. I mixed mine a bit off camera. Line a cupcake tin with papers. Add in the cupcake batter. I did about 1/3 of a cup. Bake for 17 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sift together 2.5 cups of powdered sugar. Next, beat together 2 blocks of cream cheese and 3 sticks of butter. Gradually add in your powdered sugar and mix together. I mixed it off of camera. Then add in 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Frost your cupcakes. Mine didn't come out the prettiest, but that's okay. The taste is what matters. Enjoy!